I'm trying the hair mask today, so we're going to use a tablespoon of coconut oil, a tablespoon of yogurt, and we are going to use half of an avocado, and these are the tiny ones. I'm probably going to use this whole thing because I'm going to double the recipe because I have a lot of hair. So we're going to try this out today, and I will be using our Brush Me Off soap as my shampoo bar to show you guys how squeaky clean it leaves your hair. The purpose of this hair mask is for your hair to grow and for it to shine. This is my first time trying it myself, so we're both going to try it together the first time and see what it does. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the yogurt. 1, 2, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And we're going to mash this all up until it's smooth. And then we're going to take it into the bathroom and wash my hair and put this mask on. And now we're going to try the avocado mask. Okay, so I rinsed out the mask in my hair, and so far it looks nice and shiny. This is the top of it, and it does leave it feeling soft. It doesn't feel dry and brittle. And what I'm going to do is comb through it, and I'm going to add a little of my whipped body mousse. And I think maybe I'm going to make a hair one. I really have to stop not doing my hair. Look at this. I just brush it in a ponytail, so I brush everything that's on the perimeter and I don't brush the inside, and this is what happens. Dreadlocks. I think I have a detangler somewhere. Let me check. Okay, so I really like the conditioner for my hair because of my hair type. It makes the curls look nice and defined, but my hair feels a little hard, so I'm gonna brush it out, comb it out, and see what I get. And I'm gonna brush it and comb it in sections, and I have to do that. I don't have a big comb because I don't normally comb my hair, hence the dreadlocks that I get in my hair, because I don't comb the center. I just comb all around here, and that's why you can see this is long and this is short, because this is extremely short. But we're gonna do it what we have. I have a rat tail, a wider tooth rat tail, and then I have a brush here, which is not my brush. I think my son took my brush. All right, so this is what we are going to do. I'm gonna comb it out and brush it back into a ponytail and start my day. But yeah, the mask feels really good on this texture of hair. I think I really like it. So I'm gonna try it again, but I'm gonna try a few masks to see, you know, different things and see if I like it. So I will probably do this for, maybe we'll do it for a month. I normally don't take care of my hair this well, so we'll see. Actually, we'll see if it repairs. I don't really do too much to my hair. I don't do any braiding. I don't do any, I wear wigs periodic. Like sometimes I don't wear wigs all the time. I mostly just wear my hair in a ponytail. So it's a low ponytail in the back or a high ponytail at the top. I really don't do much to my hair. So we'll see what'll happen. We'll see what happens taking care of my hair, how well it grows and how healthy it gets, and if it gets thicker and, you know, all that type of stuff. So I'm going to just add my whipped body mousse into my hair. This is just shea butter, sunflower oil, olive oil. I'm gonna add this into my hair. I'm probably, since I'm starting to take care of my hair, I'm probably gonna make another hair butter that I used to make before, and I'm going to use black castor oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, those type of things, and put it in my hair. So just let's find something to comb my hair with and let's get it popping. Well, that's it. That's my hair. And so far I love that hair mask that I tried. Like I said, I'm going to try a few more. This is generally what I do with my hair. Never do it. I always just keep it in a ponytail, but I am going to try to do it because then that way I'll have some things to show you, like my hair journey and stuff like that, because like I said, my hair is not very healthy. It's not damaged because I don't use any chemicals in my hair. I don't use any colors or relaxers or dyes. I do none of that in my hair. So it's basically healthy from that. But what I don't do is I don't take care of it. I don't brush it. I don't comb it. So I'm glad you guys are watching. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, or if you have any hair masks or any hair growing vitamins or, you know, tips and tricks that you would like to share, please post below. Tell your friends to come on and watch the videos. I'm going to be providing a lot of content. Also, let me know what days of the week is good for you. I'm going to do a post and put it up and see what days are good for YouTube videos, and so that I can stay consistent, so you guys can keep me on my consistency. And that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. It's Nikki26. Mwah. And I'm out of here.